দান যার পুণ্য দা রেশন।
কেন গঙ্গাসাগর একবার কেন?
আগে এটা গঙ্গা, মানে গঙ্গা হচ্ছে সাধুর, আর এটা গঙ্গারই মানে সাধুরই স্থান এটা।
আচ্ছা,
ওই সাধুকা মেলা লাগতে হয়,
আচ্ছা,
ওই জন্য বলতে হয় সব তীরথ বারবার গঙ্গাসাগর একবার।
আচ্ছা,
বলো ওই জন্য মানুষ সাধু ভান্ডারে দেয়। পাপ হরণ করো মালিক তিনজন, এক সাধু, এক গোমাতা, এক হচ্ছে মা গঙ্গা।
আচ্ছা,
ওই জন্য তো মানুষ মারাটারা গেলে পরে সাধু ভান্ডারে দেয়, বুঝলেন তো।
একদম।
পণ্ডিতের নিচে অবশ্য সাধু, পণ্ডিত বড়। অনেকে পণ্ডিতের ভিক্ষা নেয় না, সাধুরা অরিজিনাল যারা সাধু তারা পণ্ডিতের ভিক্ষা নেবে না। আমি যখন যতটা পারি মেনে চলি। যাক, ভালো থাকো, সুখে থাকো। আবার এসো বাবা গঙ্গাসাগর। জয় হর হর গঙ্গে,
হর হর মহাদেব।
When the city comes alive with the first light of dawn, today we embark on a journey to Gangasagar, while capturing the essence of this vibrant metropolis as it emerges from the night's embrace. As we drove through the Maidan area, we witnessed the city's pulse quicken with the rhythm of life. From vendors setting up their stalls to early risers enjoying a morning stroll, every corner of the city tells a story of resilience and vigor. And while crossing the majestic Howrah Bridge, it felt like this architecture is a silent witness to the city's ever-changing landscape. Beneath its steel arches, life flows ceaselessly. So from Diamond Harbour Jetty, we embarked on a cruise service for our Gangasagar trip, a one-day excursion. The ferry journey from Diamond Harbour to Gangasagar typically spans about 2.5 hours. For those considering booking for this voyage, I have included a link in the description where you can reserve your tickets based on your preferred date and convenience. Covering approximately 75 kilometers or roughly 41 nautical miles, this cruise from Diamond Harbour to Sagar Island commenced in October 2023. Prior to this, there had been no direct ferry service to Sagar Island. The service is operated by Opera Waterways, and this cruise can accommodate up to 140 passengers, and it departs from Diamond Harbour Municipality Jetty at 9:30 in the morning, reaching Kachuberia Ghat in Sagar Island in 1.5 hours. The return to Diamond Harbour commences at 4:30 p.m. on the same day. As we journeyed on our cruise, we encountered numerous small boats and international cargo ships traversing the vast expanse of the sea. Electricity posed a significant challenge on Sagar Island due to its isolation from the mainland. Bringing electricity to the islands had long been a formidable task. However, in recent years, a World Bank funded project successfully provided 24-hour power to the Gangasagar Islands. This service is poised to enhance the scope of religious tourism on the island. Renowned for the Gangasagar Mela, as a significant number of pilgrims visit the holy temple of Kapil Muni throughout the year. An alternative to this cruise service is the government-operated launch service from Lot 8 Ghat of Kakdev, which takes approximately an hour to reach the island. However, service delays are common due to decreased water levels during the low tide. While we were about to reach Kachuberia jetty, we came across Ghoramara Island. So this island is small, roughly 5 square kilometers in area, and is quickly disappearing due to sea level rise. Ghoramara Island once had a population of 40,000 people. The 2001 Government of India census showed a population of 5,000 people on Ghoramara. And this population is believed to have shrunk as families are displaced by the island's sinking and many families are migrating in search of better livelihood. As of 2016, the island had only 3,000 residents. Finally, we arrived at the Kachuberia jetty around 11 in the morning. Kachuberia is situated at the extreme north side of Gangasagar Island, while the Kapil Muni temple lies at the island's extreme south. To reach the Kapil Muni ashram, you can opt for autos or travelers based on your ease and convenience. The distance from Kachuberia to Kapil Muni temple is approximately 30 kilometers. An area of 78 kilometers, Gangasagar Coastal Police Station oversees the security in this region. Gangasagar is a reserved Hindu pilgrimage site where every year on the day of Makar Sankranti, hundreds of thousands of Hindu gather to take a holy dip at the confluence of the river Ganges and the Bay of Bengal, offering prayers at the Kapil Muni temple. The Gangasagar Mela and pilgrimage occur annually on Gangasagar Island's southern tip, where the Ganges meets the Bay of Bengal. This confluence is also known as Gangasagar, with the Kapil Muni temple situated nearby. While I was recording, I encountered many people offering prayers for the salvation of their ancestors. This is the reason why millions of people flock to the Gangasagar Islands and take a holy dip in the Ganga to attain salvation. Devotees also offer prayers to Lord Surya by offering water on Makar Sankranti day. According to Hindu mythology, Kapil Muni resided on this island. King Sagar's sacrificial horse was stolen by Indra and found near Kapil Muni's ashram. leading to a misunderstanding where Kapil Muni's anger resulted in the incarnation of King Sagar's 60,000 sons. However, through the prayers and meditation, the sons were eventually restored to life, symbolizing the descent of the river Ganga to earth, a significant event celebrated during Makar Sankranti. Right after this, while moving towards the Kapil Muni temple, we came across this beautiful architecture depicting Lord Shiva bringing the river Ganges to earth from the heaven. And finally, we reached Kapil Muni temple where millions of Hindus come every year on the eve of Makar Sankranti to contemplate the circle of life and death and the allure of salvation. So if you have enjoyed this journey together, please do like, share and subscribe for more.